Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing great and staying safe at home. So today's story is The Gift of Nature. Man cannot live without the gift of nature has given him. Name 3 gifts nature has given us. Why does water get polluted? Why does air get polluted? Why is soil losing its fertility? Why does man destroy forests? What happens if man becomes too greedy and too selfish? We all know that God has given us the most beautiful gift, the gift of nature. We have the long range of mountains, the wide oceans, the sparkling streams, the dense forests, the animals, the birds, the insects. We have colorful flowers, fruit, the earth we live on, even the air we breathe. This gift of nature are ours to admire, use and preserve. It is our normal duty to look after the things God has given to us. We must learn to take care of the gift of nature so that these are not destroyed or harmed. We must not use the gift of nature for our selfish end, but instead work to preserve them. 100 years ago, there were many more animals than there are today. But over years, hunters have killed them for sports or food in a large number. It is feared that some species may soon become extinct. Today, these varieties of animals like tiger, lion, and some rare species are on verge of extinction. If we do not take care of these rare animals, there will soon be none left, except in picture. We must not kill animal and bird for sport. We should always preserve the forest so that the wild animal can live, thrive and multiply. To most of us, the ocean is an endless expanse of water where there are countless fishes. But today, we are making the ocean dirty by throwing tons and tons of refuse into the river and oceans. This is known as water pollution. Huge ships sometimes sink in bad weather and oil spreads over the surface of the ocean, thus preventing fishes and water creatures from breathing. We have to be careful if we wish to preserve the water for the fishes and sea creatures. If you ever go for a picnic on the bank of river, be careful. Do not throw your waste paper and things and bottles into the river. Avoid washing dirty dishes in the river. Help to keep the river water clean and usable. Trees are said to be green gold. They are so valuable to us. We cannot live without them. It is necessary to cut down trees in order to build our houses and furniture. But we should always plant more and more trees to maintain ecological balance. This is seldom done. We should help by planting saplings in the park and along roadside. We should see to it that cattle do not destroy the young plant. If you go out on a trek, remember to be very careful when you light the campfire. The fire must be put out before leave the camp to avoid accidental forest fire. We all admire flower in a garden. A well-kept lawn is a joy of behold. In a city, a nursery of flowers is such a lovely sight that it makes us feel we should plant one in our home. When you go to the park for a picnic or a walk, you must not pick flower from the plant. If you want some flower, ask the gardener. He will tell you which flowers are ready to pick. Be careful, do not step on the flower beds, and remember, do not take your pet animal to the park. You know that bees and butterflies help to carry the pollen of flowers from one place to another place. Like most insects, they have an important function in nature. Therefore, do not catch butterfly or destroy the hives of bees. Nature's beauty is for all of us to admire and enjoy. The moon, the stars, mountains, and seas are a great source of beauty and inspiration to us. We must learn to appreciate this beauty and marvel at the wonderful handiwork of God. Thank you.